guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see top 5 Visual Studio Code extension that I really like. So let's get started. So there might be some times that whenever you type a text, and let's see, I have a sample text and here you forget to save and you just reload it and nothing just appears, and then you think that something is wrong with the code, and after checking all of this then you realize that this is not just saved. So after I save it, just a second, yes, as you can see it is coming. So this is the most common mistake that people make. So to fix it, Visual Studio Code provides a autosave feature which automatically saves all your progress. So to enable autosave, click on File, then click on Autosave. Now if you type anything here, let's say paragraph, paragraph about me, and as you can see that it is saving because there is no white circle coming here, and if I reload this is also coming. Yeah, this is not the mistake that anyone is going to have, because they will use live server, and live server saves the changes which is not even saved. So this is not that kind of mistake. So let's move on to the next one. Now there might be some times that when you type a text, and let's have this, now you have to scroll to the whole text because it does not automatically wrap itself when it reaches the end, which makes it really annoying for the people, and you have to again and again press enter, which also makes the code look uglier. So to fix this, Visual Studio Code provides a wrap text feature. To enable this wrap text feature, you need to press Alt+Z. Now wrap text is enabled. Now if I again type something like this is sample text, it is automatically wrapped. Now to turn it off, you need to press Alt+Z again, and if I type anything again, it is not wrapping. So yeah, you are not going to turn it off because this is such a good feature that everyone is going to like. So let's move on to the next one. Now there might be some times that you are working on a big project and you need to open all the files, and you need to use all of the files, but you have to scroll to see where are the files, and then click on and then edit the code. So to fix this, to keep all of the files in front of you, what you have to do, you need to go to the settings, click on preferences, and then click on settings. So click on file, preferences, and then settings, and after that type wrap tabs here, and click on this first option, which is the only option here, and as you can see the tabs here are now wrapped. So I like this feature very much because all of the tabs are in front of me, which is not very annoying for me to again and again scroll for the files. So let's now move on to the next one. So you have written this code, and you have written div class is equal to white, and white is supposed to make the text white, and bgred is supposed to make the background red. Now if you run the code, and you can see that the red background is working, but the text is not coming white. Now you will go and check the style sheet, and then you realize that it is .text white, not .white. So you need to go back to index.html and change it for every one of the divs. But now it is so much tiring to change the class of every one of the div. So what you can do, you can use multi-cursor. Now how do you use multi-cursor? For that you need to keep pressing Alt and select where you want to keep the cursor. As you can see, I am pressing Alt and selecting where I want the cursors to come. Now I can move the cursors, and all of the cursors will move at the same time. So let's use it to change the class, and yes, now it is working. Now yes. So now let's say if you have more divs, I will copy this. Wait, first of all I need to change it to all of them to demonstrate it to you. Now what if I have more divs? I will copy it and paste it. Now you have to keep pressing Alt and select the cursors in each one of the divs, which is really tiring, and in case if you hit somewhere else, there is no way to fix it, because now you have to click somewhere else and then you have to remove it. So how do you make all of the changes all at once without pressing Alt and selecting where we want to do that? So for that you will use Shift plus Alt. You need to select the first place. I am not pressing Shift press Alt, otherwise it will select this whole text, and after that reach the ending text you want to select, and then press Shift plus Alt and then select there. As you can see, all of the cursors have appeared all at once. Now you can change all of them, and yes, it is coming. So now let's move on to the next and the final one. Now let's say if you write a paragraph like this is the info about me, and after that you write h1, and this is the title, and when you go back you notice that the title needs to be above the info. So now what you will need to do, you will need to cut it first, then you need to press enter and then paste it here. Now this is so much tiring. How do we do that then? You can again press Alt and keep the cursor. I want this sentence to be above this. I want this line to be above this line. So what I can do, I will select anywhere in this line here, and I will press Alt and then press up arrow key, and as you can see that header is above the paragraph. Now what if I want to make this header lower the paragraph? So what I can do, I can press Alt and then lower arrow key. So this is how we can move sentences using just keyboard. Now what if let's say I will keep this down. Let's say you have a UL and it has a list item li item here, Now I want to copy this as many times as possible. Like let's keep it 10 without copy pasting. So using that is using Shift plus Alt and the arrow keys, you can copy the items down or up. Now I will select the line that needs to be copied, so I will press Shift plus Alt and then down arrow key, and as you can see this is copied. I can do that as many times as possible. So I have done it 4 times. Total it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yes, it is done. Now what if I want to copy this sentence upwards? The same way, Shift plus Alt and up arrow key. It is on the up. So yes, now you know that how you can copy sentences using Shift plus Alt and arrow keys, and you can also move the lines using Alt and arrow keys. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed our video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and family members as well. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.